Hi all. Today I will show you how you can install Dynatrace OneAgent on Kubernetes clusters. Okay, so today we'll be installing Dynatrace OneAgent on EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Services. Okay, so this is on. So we need to deploy Dynatrace OneAgent on Kubernetes clusters. Okay, so let's see step by step how we can do that. Okay, so let me go to my AWS account and search for EKS. Let's go here. Add clusters, create a cluster name is, I'm giving EKS 01. Okay, so we can take Kubernetes version, I'm taking 1.24. So we require roles or one. So let's open IAM also in the new tab. Okay, just go for roles, create a role, search for EKS. We require EKS cluster role, right? EKS cluster policy. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. So we went to role and we required EKS cluster policy. Okay, let me verify that. It is correct. Okay, go next. So I'm giving Dynatrace EKS. Okay, EKS cluster role. Okay, I'm going little slow so you can understand that. The role is created. Go here, press refresh it, and got it. Next, I'm keeping default everything. Okay, next. So I don't need logins. I'm going at the basic one. Okay, next. Next, create. So my cluster is created. Now let's create a role for worker node. Meanwhile, we'll keep it all those things ready. Create a role again. EC2. Choose service. Go next. Select container registry. Container. Just to search it. So imagine ECS to container registry read only. Sorry. Okay. Then we required CNI. Imagine EKS CNI policy. Then we required worker node role. Worker node. Worker node. EKS worker node policy. Three things is required. Sorry. So Dynatrace worker node role. Okay. Three things: EKS worker node policy, CNI policy, container registry read only. Okay. CNI policy, worker node policy, or read access of EKS container registry. Correct. Create a role. Okay. Okay, role is created. So now once it is done, we'll create that. Meanwhile, we'll go to again identity and access management and go to manage security credentials, create an access key and secret key. Create an access key and secret key. Okay. So let's copy this just to type move action, open your CMD, run as a command prompt. Just check CDCLI, so CDC colon. Okay, type AWS configure. The required access key. Access key, this one. Paste it. The required secret key. Copy this. Paste it. Okay, this is the none. Okay, minimize it. Download CSV file. Put it in desktop. Download. Here's the picture. Okay, now done. So this is done. Let's go to my EKS cluster and check whether cluster is created. No. So how you can check that cluster status? Okay. So let's check the cluster status. Okay. Just you open your command prompt and type AWS EKS hyphen region US hyphen East hyphen 1 describe hyphen cluster hyphen name EKS01 hyphen query dot status is creating. Okay, so this is the command where you can find out. Okay, so let's refresh it. Test it. It is creating. Meanwhile, we can prepare for Dynatrace. So Dynatrace, you can go for Kubernetes. So just to go deploy Dynatrace. So deploy Dynatrace page and go for the Kubernetes. Okay. Name EKS01. Group is required. Level create a token. Create a token. Download dynaq.yaml file. So let's go to the drive. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is also done. Go here, refresh it. It takes time. Still it is in creating mode. Let's pause the recording. So now EKS cluster, right? Is the status is active. So if you run this command, you can say status is active. Okay, status is active. Let's add node group. So we'll go to node group, add node group. So EKS node group 01. Okay, EKS node 01. Select a role. So role already we have created. Nothing I'm adding. Okay, this is the default one. Okay, next to IntelliGB default. Okay, number. Okay, everything is default. I don't keep anything. Okay, create. So my node group is getting created. Just wait for a few minutes. Takes few minutes of time. So now you can see that my node group is also active. So if you go to your cluster and open that cluster, go to compute session, there will be 2 hosts that will added. So if you go to your EC2, it should be 2 hosts running. You can see. So it's running 2 hosts. One is for ActiveGate and 2 another host. Okay, so that is already running now. Let's deploy Dynatrace OneAgent. So just you need to apply the kubeconfig. So already I have prepared the command. So copy this and paste it. Got updated. Now you type kubectl. Just you type kubectl. All are running. Okay. Just type kubectl get ns namespace. So you can see that it's already there. So now able to log into kubectl. Okay. So now let's create the name. So very simple. So create the namespace. We are creating the namespace. Namespace created. Let's apply it. Copy this. Paste it. Now I'm not running the third command directly. I'm running the fourth command. Copy this. So this dynacube.yaml file already I have added in the folder in the little earlier. You can so you need to download this YAML file and put in the folder where kubectl is running. Okay, it's getting installed. The same path you should keep it. It is done. That's it. Okay. Now you just go here. Type Kubernetes. Just wait for another 10 minutes. Refresh it. Just wait for another 2 minutes. Just refresh it. Now EKS 01 is coming up. Even you want to check it via command. Okay. Type qctl pod. So you can see all are running now. Okay. Wait for a few minutes. If you go to your host page, you can see your host to host where agent is installed. Just a minute, guys. Deployment status. Go OneAgent, see two hosts is installed now. Now, where is the host? Why it is coming? This it is host relaunch. Okay, so now you can see two hosts. So this UI get changed a little bit, so when I'm facing some difficulty. So now this is done. Now you go here, type Kubernetes. EKS 01, no data. Wait for a few minutes. So now you can see under this two host agent is installed, OneAgent operator is installed. So we are doing via OneAgent operator. And in the container, all the activate EKS 01 kube proxy is getting installed. Okay. EKS. Not coming. Kubernetes. Workload. Come up now. Now see all the data is coming up, right? Kube proxy, activate, Kubernetes. Slowly is coming up. So now we have 5 namespace. CPU utilization, they made available data is coming up now. Okay. Yeah. Now it is coming up, right? So this is the way you can set up your Dynatrace OneAgent or EKS cluster. Okay. Very simple. only to configure EKS cluster. Little difficult, not that much. Okay, that's it for this lecture. Thank you.